Imagine the thunderous bellow of a massive radial engine shaking the skies as a burly fighter barrels through enemy formations like a juggernaut on wings, its 8.50 caliber machine guns spitting fire to shred Luftwaffe aces in World War II dogfights. Or could this indestructible jug, the Republic F-47 Thunderbolt, have forever faded into history's haze amid 2025's hypersonic jets and drone swarms, its rugged frame a relic in an era of stealth and AI? Gear up, aviation adrenaline junkies, because on Defense Digest, we're rocketing back to the unbreakable legend of the F-47, redesignated from P-47 in 1948. The U.S. Army Air Force's single-engine fighter bomber that dominated the skies from 1942 to the 1950s. And hold on every riveting rivet till the jaw-dropping finale uncovers its enduring legacy that inspires modern designs. Pound that like if WW2 Warbirds rev your engines. Subscribe and smash the bell for more sky-shattering sagas, and drop a comment below. What's your ultimate dogfight? F-47 versus Me-109? And could it out-jug a hypersonic horde? Born in the early 1940s from Republic Aviation's genius under Alexander Kartveli to counter Axis threats, the F-47 Thunderbolt took its maiden flight on May 6, 1941, entering combat in 1943 as a single-seat powerhouse stretching 36 feet 1 inch long with a 40-foot 9-inch wingspan and 12-foot 9-inch height, heaving a 17,500-pound max takeoff weight powered by a Pratt & Whitney R2800 double wasp radial engine belting 2,600 horsepower, delivering raw power that hauled it to a top speed of 433 miles per hour, a combat radius of 800 miles, extendable with drop tanks, and a ceiling of 43,000 feet, all at a unit cost of around $85,000 in WW2 dollars, equivalent to about $1.5 million today, making it a sturdy steel compared to pricier moderns like the $80 million F-35. Armed with 8.50 caliber Browning M2 machine guns, firing 3,400 rounds for air-to-air shredding, up to 2,500 pounds of bombs or rockets on underwing pylons for ground-pounding devastation, an armored cockpit plus self-sealing tanks that shrugged off hits fatal to lesser birds, the F-47 boasted a turbo supercharger for high-altitude prowess and dive brakes for precision attacks, racking up over 3,752 air kills, 86,000 tons of bombs dropped, and 4,000-plus tanks destroyed in WW2 theaters from Europe to the Pacific, surviving missions that downed sleeker fighters. Picture it in mayhem, diving on German trains in D-Day support, strafing Japanese airfields in the Pacific, or post-war ops in Korea, and exports to allies like France and Brazil, with over 15,660 built, and some still flying in 2025 air shows or museums like the Smithsonian. But as this jug thunders into legend, laden with unspoken ammo and veiled resilience, the pulse-pounding suspense builds. What WW2 tech could revive it next? And in urban skies teeming with threats, will hypersonic adaptations honor its thunder or silence its roar? Don't bail now. Devour every ground-quaking beat. Like if this hooked your hogs, comment your Thunderbolt tales to stir the storm, share with your squadron for the buzz, and subscribe to Defense Digest for non-stop nosedives into the jets that own the onslaught. Because the next vintage victory could thunder in any time. Stay armored, Sky Shredders.